In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload background carousel in Card. A background carousel is a rotating set of images behind your page content, perfect for eye-catching hero sections and simple portfolios. I'll walk you through each click so you can follow along with confidence. Start by going to Card and opening the site you want to edit in the builder. On the left side of the editor, click the background area to open its settings. In that panel, look for the Style section. This is where you choose how the background behaves. Select Slideshow. This switches your background from a single static image to a rotating carousel. You'll see an item labeled Untitled. That's the default slideshow group. Click it to open the slide manager. Now click Upload to add your first image. Choose a high-quality, landscape-oriented image from your computer and click Open. Card will prompt you to crop. Use the crop tool to frame the most important part of your image so it fills the background area. Aim to keep key details away from extreme edges where text might overlap. When it looks right, click Accept to confirm. Next, add another slide. Click Add to create the next slot, then click Upload again. Repeat the same process. Pick your image, click Open, and adjust the crop so it's consistent with the first image. Visual consistency across slides helps your site feel polished. When you're happy, click Accept. When your images are in place, click Done to close the slideshow manager and apply your changes. You should now see your images rotating in the background of your page. If something looks off, revisit the slideshow, reopen a slide, and refine the crop until everything feels balanced. A couple of quick tips as you work. Use images that share a similar color palette or mood for smoother transitions, and keep file sizes reasonable so your page loads quickly. That's it. Your background carousel is set up and ready to impress.